Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mary Kay US YouTube channel. My name is Christina Reed, Senior Manager of Salesforce Education at Mary Kay, and I'm so excited that you decided to join us. Today, you'll hear about Mary Kay the company and how starting a Mary Kay business can fit into your life. Maybe you're here because your independent beauty consultant has shared her story with you and you're curious to learn more. Or maybe this will be your first time to hear about the Mary Kay opportunity overall. Either way, we're happy you're here to learn how the Mary Kay opportunity is totally flexible and totally fun. We also have two independent Salesforce leaders who will share their Mary Kay journeys and why they love their Mary Kay businesses. So, are you ready? Let's hear from our first guest. She is Independent Future Executive Senior Sales Director, Randi Gleason.
Thank you, Christina. I am so incredibly honored to join you tonight. I can remember the very day I became an independent beauty consultant. I was a small town girl that was more into agriculture, and I think the most makeup that I ever wore was lip gloss and mascara, and that was on important occasions. However, for months leading up to that decision to start my business, I was internally searching for something more. I was working in a local convenience store while going to school and waiting tables other evenings. As I embarked on my journey to college, I wanted a different way to earn income. I didn't want my schedule to include late nights or to be set by someone else. And I just thought there had to be a different way, something with more flexibility. While searching for that something, a family member mentioned to me that I should check out Mary Kay and that I would be great at that. While I didn't know much of anything about skincare cosmetics, I remembered that I did love to serve others. And I always got the greatest joy when I could deliver excellent customer service, whether it was at the restaurant or at the convenience store I worked at. I couldn't believe it. There I was, a girl from a cow farm, checking out how I could start a business selling skincare and cosmetics. I met with an independent sales director to learn more. And I remember one thing she shared that stood out to me so much. 50%. As an independent beauty consultant, you can earn up to 50% on every product sold at suggested retail. My jaw hit the ground because while I was searching during those months, I knew just how generous and incredible 50% is. I am so grateful that that girl who had yet to step into her confidence decided to give it a try. Everything that I needed to know to get off to a good start with my Mary Kay business was at my fingertips, thanks to the incredible resources provided by the company. What began as a handful of family members and friends purchasing from me evolved into a thriving customer base that has grown over the years. Upon college graduation, I felt so blessed that I could take my Mary Kay business along with me as I started my first job. It was an extra stream of income that was so fun. And when I experienced great challenges with cystic fibrosis, a genetic lung disease I was born with, that same Mary Kay business was right there for me when I needed more flexibility and time to focus on my health. You may notice that I'm not in my home office, but actually on the road in our RV. Because of the flexibility of my business and the digital resources available for me, I travel with my husband in his career as a professional fisherman. We travel all over the USA and we'll be on the road nearly 10 months of this year. I love that I'm able to work my business virtually and expand my reach all around the country, all at the click of a button. There are just so many options of how anyone can work their Mary Kay business, and they're right at your fingertips. I remember the first time I introduced Mary Kay products to a handful of my family and friends around the kitchen table. As they tried the products on their faces, the difference was astonishing. They couldn't wait to have their very own pink bottles in their bathrooms to repeat what they had just experienced. Having a Mary Kay business lets you sell products you can believe in. I love the high standards that our company sets for its products. Mary Kay products are made with the highest quality ingredients and are extensively researched. And you'll find products that deliver real results. You'll be able to find products that are right for your customers. And I love that I offer a consumable product that my customers wash off every night because it's so much fun to wake up to customer reorders. So why choose to start a Mary Kay business? It was started by a woman for women. Mary Kay has been empowering women to be self-starters for decades. working within the core values of faith first, family second, and career third. Because Mary Kay Inc. and the Mary Kay Ash Foundation have donated over $57 million to help end domestic violence, and the Mary Kay Ash Foundation has donated over $27 million in grants to cancer research. This company is a company with a purpose. As you can tell, I am very proud to be a part of this remarkable culture. Next, we'll hear from another independent sales director as she shares how the Mary Kay opportunity just fits in her life.
The Mary Kay business has afforded me the opportunity to be able to be a present mom, and I have to be. I have 7 children. Wow. So when I started my Mary Kay business when I was in college, my reason was I pictured myself before I was even married being able to be a present mom and raise my children. And today I'm able to live out that dream. Having 7 children, I'm able to work my business around doctor's appointments, their school schedule, and just around life happening. We are having a Hendrix family dance party. Once we send the kids off to school, I have a to-do list that I make the night before. So I treat myself almost like I'm an employee, and I do exactly what the boss laid out. And then once the kiddos come back from school, it's like a light switch. I turn my business off and I'm all in with them.
We're at Marni's. We're getting facials.
Hey! Ooh, okay. What I oftentimes find is that as we're working with our customers and supporting them with their skincare and their makeup goals, it's almost like they recognize their own beauty. The products in this awesome way just make them feel more beautiful.
Let's connect and come together.
When I hit a ceiling in my business, one of the things that I do is remind myself of my why. What happens when I do that is the emotion brings me into motion. When I feel discouraged, it's all about the why.
Let's connect.
My favorite Mary Kay product is the charcoal mask.
We're having a charcoal mask date night.
It makes me feel so refreshed and so pampered. I'm passionate about sharing the products because the fact that we're able to share such a high quality product that is backed with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and it's affordable is so simple. It's so easy. It just fits.
Let's connect.
Wow, wasn't it fun to see how much Marni loves Mary Kay products and how fun and easy it is to fit a Mary Kay business into your life? And thank you, Randi, for sharing why you love your Mary Kay. Now, it's time to hear from the amazing Independent National Sales Director, Patrice Moore-Smith.
Hi, I am Independent National Sales Director, Patrice Moore-Smith. You know, one of the many reasons I love Mary Kay is because it just fits my life. You can make extra money on the side while working your Mary Kay business your way. The Mary Kay opportunity is all about flexibility. It fits your life so you can balance the important things and put them first. Even how you start your Mary Kay business is flexible. The choice is yours. My journey began nearly 18 years ago when my husband and I were at a pastors and leaders conference in Hershey, Pennsylvania. I went to that conference looking for direction, not only concerning things as it related to our church, but mostly for myself personally. I was in a place in my life where I knew there was something more out there in the big wide world for me, something specific that I had not yet found. Life was super busy with 3 children at home, 9, 9, and 5. That's right, twins. But I knew I had a lot to give. I just wasn't sure of where I could give it and be appreciated for the things that I brought to the table. So at that conference, I was looking for clarity of direction for my next move. And it was there, that I met my angel, my recruiter, Cassandra Scott, and she boldly walked over to me and said, "Excuse me, you are so sharp. Have you ever thought about starting a Mary Kay business?" And unknowingly to me, but in that moment, my prayers were being answered. She was from Houston, Texas, and I from Tuscaloosa, Alabama, and we met in Hershey, Pennsylvania, a place neither of us had ever been. But she believed Mary Kay Ash when she said, "Follow the 3-foot rule. Whenever you encounter a woman and she's within 3 feet of you, you should open your mouth and share Mary Kay's wonderful products and this wonderful opportunity." So I got home, signed my independent beauty consultant agreement, and started on my way, learning everything I could along the way. So how did I start? Well, first up on the agenda was to create my contact list, then get out my date book and highlight the times I could devote to my Mary Kay business. I would practice what I was going to say in the mirror, do some jumping jacks, pick up the phone, and start inviting my friends to skincare parties. Book, party, practice, repeat. Wow. With just a few specific to-dos, I was on my way to building and servicing new customers, all while being able to be very present in my 3 children's lives. Fast forward 18 years, and my twins are now 27, and I have a 23-year-old. And I never felt like I had to choose between them and my Mary Kay business. The fact that active Mary Kay independent beauty consultants have the ability to make up to 50% profit on products sold at suggested retail and do it on their own terms is unmatched. I just absolutely love that. And my reasons for continuing to build my Mary Kay business have deepened over time. While nothing will ever be more important to me than providing Golden Rule service to my customers, I have thoroughly enjoyed having a place where I can help other women grow. Mary Kay has helped me be who I want to be. Mary Kay independent beauty consultants care about one another, their customers, and helping other women. And nothing beats the encouragement and empowerment you receive from other women like you. Mary Kay also offers so many resources that can help you build your sales and leadership skills. And no, you are in business for yourself, but never, ever by yourself. Mary Kay continually develops resources to help you along the way. Mary Kay, the company, has been around for almost 60 years. Now that's a very long time. And as a company, Mary Kay is considered the gold standard in the direct selling industry. Did you know that Mary Kay is in nearly 40 countries around the world? Well, now you know. So, what sets Mary Kay apart from other direct sales companies? A lot. But one of the most important differences is that there is no requirement for an independent beauty consultant to build a team in order to earn a profit in her business. Mary Kay has fabulous products and incredible wholesale discount every independent beauty consultant can enjoy. So when a customer purchases products from a Mary Kay beauty consultant, they can feel good about supporting an independent business owner who is backed by a long-standing and ethical brand. I hope that you discovered a whole new world of beautiful possibilities with Mary Kay today. Can you see how the Mary Kay opportunity could fit into your life? I want you to answer this quick question and write down your answer. I want you to pick either A, B, or C. Could this opportunity fit into your life? A means absolutely. I am interested, and with your help, I'm willing to try. B means book me for a second appointment. I have questions and I would love to talk more. C means it could be for me down the road, but until then, I would love to be your customer. Whatever you choose, A, B, or C, please talk with your independent beauty consultant. Remember, that is the person who invited you to watch today, and let her know what your answer was. If you are all in and want to start a Mary Kay business right now, Mary Kay has a flexible startup option that fits your needs. You can choose the Mary Kay Starter Kit or start your Mary Kay business digitally with the Mary Kay eStart. And you have the option to add a powerful sample pack. The choice is yours. If you want to learn more about these options, click the link in the description below. I believe that Mary Kay Ash created this opportunity with you and me in mind. Everyday women and men who simply don't want to be in a position of having to choose between either or. I just know that you and your family deserve to see how this opportunity can just fit perfectly into your life too. Thank you all so much for spending time with us. If you think that Mary Kay is for you, please reach out to your independent beauty consultant who invited you here today for more information. And click the links below to learn more about the Mary Kay opportunity. Thank you so much. Goodbye.